Hi friends, it's Velvet. I've got a quick video for you today. This is just going to be my next junk journal that I'm putting together. That's the colors, and I've got this out because I'm going to try and match some fabric to it. But speaking of fabric, what I got today was two big hauls, what I think are big hauls. This is 28 either fat quarters or quarter yards from an Etsy seller, and it is Sherry Girl Quilts, sherrygirlquilts.etsy.com, and her fat quarters, I think I used a coupon too. They ran between $2 and $3.50 per fat quarter or quarter yard. So there were good prices, and I think I matched some pretty well. I had pulled this one out because I thought maybe this one would be good, but now that I look at it, I'm not crazy about. I think this pinky color is a little too dark for this. Not that I can't, I mean, this is going on the cover, so it's, you know, it would be okay. It's just, I want to come as close as I can to this. And in that case, I think this could probably work. This is a little light, but we'll see. Anyways, so these are the ones that I'm not going to unfold all of them, but I did want to show you what I've got. I'm actually going to stand up so I know that you can see all of these, but they're really quite pretty. Really like these. And I did get free shipping too, so that's always nice too. They're so pretty. I like to get fat quarters because I know each fat quarter will cover at least the outside of a journal. And what I usually tend to do is use one fat quarter on the outside and one on the inside. And I mix and match. So like these three here, I got to match each other. So I'll use, you know, one of these on the outside and one on the end. Like this I would probably use on the outside, and then this one on the end. This sort of looks like cat's eyes to me. But then when you get it up close, you can see that's not what it is. But from a distance, it looks like it. So yeah, I could either like piece these or something. I don't know. But they're so pretty, I think. And then I got a couple of these burgundy, and I think I got a couple of these burgundy and off-white. But now that I'm looking, I see only just this one. But I know that I have at least one more that are similar to this in my stash, so that's cool. You can never go wrong with tan polka dots. So that's that, and that would probably match this one nicely. And this one. I think I have some that look like this. That's pretty with the butterflies. And then I got like all three of the ones that look like this with the butterflies. Oops. Got interrupted. Hubby and the dogs came down. So yeah, anyways, I had, she had 3 different colors of the butterfly fabric. So I got this blue, and then I got this one that's kind of a, I don't know, the funky colors. So, and then there's this. This is pretty. This one is gorgeous. They're pretty. Just that. And then these are all really interchangeable. Just gorgeous. Love them. Love them. I'm going to be making a pink and yellow themed digital kit. And so I was kind of looking for some pink and yellow fabrics that I could use. And even though this is not yellow, it's a very creamy color that I think could go well with that. This is not pink and yellow, but it's a nice pink color. There's pink and yellow. Nice pale colors there. I like that. There's some pink and yellow. Love that. That's pretty. There's some more of the pink with the yellow and the other. Oh, wait a minute. This is the same as this. I bought 2 of these. Huh. Well, silly me. But I'll use them, so that's good. And this one, isn't this adorable? These little, I don't know, sunbursts or whatever. Look like candies. It's so cute. And then this one that kind of looks like the opposite of this. So cute. And this one is so pretty. I just love this. Isn't that lovely? I cannot wait to use these fabrics. I feel like I should just sit down and make a whole bunch of covers. Isn't that pretty? This one, oh my gosh, I just love this. I was hoping to find more. She had like over 300 different fabrics, and I went through every single one of them. This one is just gorgeous. This is a weird one. This is not a fat quarter. This is a 1/4 yard, but it is just tall enough that I can make a book out of this. I could make it into a small one. Or I could conceivably make this into a tall skinny. Use this as a cover for a tall skinny. Use it like this and then do the back. So this is so pretty. Love it. And then these last 2 are like kind of a grungy, more grungy. Love those. And then I got, this is not from Etsy, this is from Mrs. Quilty. Premium fabrics for quilting. This I got just kind of on a whim. It was, I don't have the sheet that came with it, but it's 16 fat quarters, and this is a mystery bundle of fat quarters. And I wish I could say I love it. I do love it, but it's not really my thing for covers. This has got a lot of like fruits, and I'm not a fruit kind of junk journal person. So, like, you know, it's adorable. It really, really is. These are adorable fat quarters. Strawberries. I can use it. I will use it. The colors are right. I can absolutely use this for the colors. It's just that I don't use kits that have fruits in them. So, like, this doesn't have any fruit. This is really cute, though. Isn't it cute? This is interesting. This looks so vintage, doesn't it? It doesn't smell vintage, but it looks so vintage, and I love it for that reason. This is gorgeous. Definitely love this. Will use this for sure. So, so cute. Like this one with all the cherries. The colors are right. I don't use kits that have cherries in them, but you know what? There's a first for everything, isn't there? And I mean, the whole reason why I got a mystery thing is because I wanted to test myself. I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to see what somebody else's mystery package would have. And here we have it. And look how cute these 2 things would look together. So, you know, let's give it a shot. Let's make something out of that. This one to me is just plain weird. It's blue, but it's got like this red tone to it, doesn't it? Do you see that? I don't know. It's weird to me. But I'll use it. I'll find a way to use it. This is cute. For sure this is cute. I mean, all of these things say picnic to me, which is cute. So, you know, maybe I can throw together something that's picnic related. I can do, I don't know, maybe maybe I can find some picnic related pictures and books, you know, maybe 1950s, you know, women in aprons and things, and that would be a cute book. Or, you know, cooking, stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just kind of spitballing here, but we'll see. Here's, you know, more strawberries. It's cute. I mean, that's cute, right? Very cute. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It wasn't crazy expensive, so I'm not terribly worried about it. This definitely says picnic, right? I mean, that's a tablecloth. That's a napkin right there. So, you know, there's that. And more strawberries. Just, you know, lots and lots of strawberries here, right? That's funny. The S, this is really interesting. S, my last name starts with S, and my husband's last name starts with M. That's funny. I should make a couple napkins out of that. The strawberries. I definitely gotta make something that has something to do with the strawberries, I think. See, there's more with the S and the M here. So cute, though. So cute. And this, isn't this pretty? That's so pretty. Definitely would look beautiful as a cover, I think. I love these colors, for sure. Oh, this so looks vintage, doesn't it? And then this one that goes with it, it's just a smaller pattern. Outside of the journal, inside of a journal maybe, I don't know. But so cute. Definitely so cute. I'm not disappointed. I will say that I'm not disappointed. For the price I paid, and honestly I don't remember what it was, but for the price I paid, I'm not disappointed. It's, you know, it's making me think outside the box, and I like that. I like you know, doing things that make me think. And so this is a good thing. And these are really cute. And some of you are probably thinking, oh my God, I could do this, that, and the other thing with this. So that's good. And if you have some ideas, absolutely throw them into the comments. I love when I get comments from you guys because, you know, that helps me. That really helps me. So that is what I had for you today. Thank you so much for showing up, for hanging out with me, for leaving comments, and hitting like and subscribing. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Take care. Bye, everybody.